Hi there, welcome to Tina Atlantic. On today's menu, I have lemonade recipe to share with you. It is very simple, so keep watching. These are our lemons and honey. Let's roll the lemons for easy squeezing. Now, let's cut each lemon in halves. Let's squeeze the juice from the lemons. Then, we strain the juice out. Let's set a saucepan on a medium heat and add 2 cups of water and allow it to get warm. Add honey to taste. Stir until the honey is fully mixed with the water. Pour the mixture into the lemon juice. Add enough water to dilute. Stir for the last time to make sure everything is well mixed. Now our lemonade is ready. We can serve it chilled. Yummy! Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.